Most Indian students dream about USA, UK, or Canada for their masters. They are the go-to destinations, the big name everyone talks about. But when it's my time to choose, I didn't choose any of these. I choose Germany.
अब सवाल ये है क्यों, why Germany and not those big names? So in this video, I will compare to some of his job opportunities, culture, PR, health insurance and student life so that आप खुद decide कर पाओ is Germany right for you or if maybe other options are better for you. So let's start with the money, the most practical factor. The financial burden can make or break your dream. So first country is USA. Here the tuition fees are among the highest. A master program can cost up to $20,000 to $40,000 per year or sometimes even more. मतलब एक ही साल में 17 to 33 lakh INR. Whereas living cost at another layer, especially the cities like New York or California, where you will need $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Second is UK. The duration is shorter with the most master program being just 1 year, but the tuition is still high, ranging from 12,000 to 25,000 pounds. And in the cities like London, living expense can easily be 1,000 to 1,200 pounds per month. Third, Canada. This generally considered most affordable option. Tuition is around $15,000 to $30,000 per year. Living costs are most manageable, $800 to $1,500 per month. But you need to show a GIC, which is a guaranteed investment get certificate of 20,000 CAD format. And fourth, Germany. The main reason I am choosing Germany is due to its public university, which are tuition free or just a small administrative fee, which is 300 to 500 per semester. Living costs are reasonable, around 800 to 1,000 per month. This means not huge loan and free entire education free. So the part time and your saving can help your turning point for a life.
So when you compare, it's a choice between a massive loan burden and affordable stress-free education.
Now the second, work while student. हर स्टूडेंट सोचता है कि पार्ट टाइम से अपना एक्सपेंस कैसे मैनेज होगा. Let's see the rules. First, USA. You are only allowed up to work 20 hours per week on a campus. Off-campus jobs are very strict and limited, which can make it hard to cover living expenses. Second, UK. The rule is also 20 hours per week during the term time. Jobs are available, but the high cost of living, it can be still struggle to manage everything. Third, Canada. Here a big update. Starting recently, you can work up to 24 hours per week during the academic term. This is big help for managing living costs, but the tuition fees are still a heavy burden. And the last, Germany. Here be 20 hours per week allowed here, but within an important update, the minimum wages is 12.82 euro per hour. Many students job between 13 to 15 hours. This means you are allowed hours can easily cover your entire expenses. Now third, career opportunities and PR. So career के बिना कोई भी मास्टर्स का फायदा नहीं है. Let's look at the long-term prospects. First, USA. Jobs are amazing, especially in tech and businesses. But the biggest challenge is the H-1B visa lottery, which is highly unpredictable. For Indian students, the wait for green card can be decades long. So one side you have higher salaries, on the other side your future is uncertain. Second is UK. They offer a graduate route visa for 2 years, which is great, but the job market can be saturated and getting a long-term sponsored visa for PR is still tough. Third, Canada. This is known as the most PR-friendly option. The post-graduation work can be up to 3 years, and from there you can apply for PR through this express entry. While this is a clear pathway, the competition is now very intense and the required CRS scores are often high. And now last, fourth, Germany. The demand for STM, data science and AI professional is extremely high. You can get 18-month job search after you study. Once you have a job, you can apply for the blue card, which is a clear pathway to PR. The blue card can be even apply for the permanent residence after 21 years of month experience and proficiency skills. Next is health insurance and student benefit. अब एक फैक्टर जो लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एंड स्टूडेंट बेनिफिट्स. First, USA. Health insurance is compulsory and it is a big extra burden costing anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 per year, and hospitalization costs without insurance are extremely high. Second is UK. You have to pay an immigration IHS, which is immigration health surcharge of around £776 per year, which gives you access to national health service. It is good system and helpful. Third is Canada. Some provisions covers international student while other require you to take a private insurance which can cost 600 to 1000 CAD. And the last, Germany. Their student health insurance system more structured. You get a complete coverage for around €120 per month. This covers doctor visit, hospitalization and even some dental care. Plus, as a student, your semester contribution often provides you free access to public transportation in your state, so you can save lots of money and have a student benefit. Next, language and culture. Language barrier एक reality है. Let's talk about it honestly. The countries like USA, UK and Canada, these are English-speaking countries. The adjustment is easier and you don't have a language barrier to worry about. Whereas Germany, classes in many master programs are in English, but for daily life and especially the job market, German is essential. But the thing about this way, learning a new language opens you for not only for the Germany as well as Australia, Switzerland and many European countries. This gives a unique edge advantages. Lifestyle and safety. Student life safe academic in America. First, USA. Opportunities are great, but the high debt and competitive hustle culture can be very stressful. Second, UK. The lifestyle is modern, but in a cities like London, the high expense and fast pace can be stressful. Third, Canada. It is known for being safe, multicultural and student friendly. It's a good balance. And the last, Germany. It is very safe, disciplined and offers an amazing travel opportunity. With your German residence permit, you have a Schengen visa, which means you can travel to 27 other European countries without any hassle. The work-life balance is also healthier, and a big factor for me was the international exposure without a green tap. Global degree value. A German degree is recognized as a worldwide for its quality, focus on a practical and technical skills. It holds a strong weight globally. मतलब अगर आपको USA, UK या Canada शिफ्ट होना हो तो Germany makes you a higher competitive candidate. This is a huge often ignored and advantage. And the last, my personal decision. For me, it was about the tuition or the PR. I wanted an innovation-driven education, a deep dive movement like building data science and AI, and a culture that supports a healthy work-life balance. So German is not an obvious or glamorous option like a USA, but sometimes the best journeys are the less chosen. So Germany may not be the only option, and for some the USA, UK or Canada might be a better fit, but for me and my personal goal it's the right option. So सफर सिर्फ अभी शुरू है. Don't forget to subscribe क्योंकि आने वाले वीडियोस आपके लिए भी वेरिएबल हो.